Sheesh. I was rushing on this foundation last week when the snow was coming. Needed to do some hogging out on the grade. Me and Miles just got a real good grade. Gonna start running with our inside of our forms. Just squared off our foundation. Looking real good. Got our guy tying bar. 6'3's our number. I like it. Cross juniper off the list, formed up, itching to pour. Looks good. It's pour day up in here. Ended up putting all our dowels, tying in our dowels, because we're doing juniper and the next side over cedar all in one day, T-minus 30 minutes. I just hit my laser one last time. Everything's totally dialed in. Pump guys in the back getting situated. Waiting on our concrete. Should be any minute now. Feel real good about it. Everything's on level. I just checked. Did pretty good on the trowel. Got to run over to the other site right down the block because we're pouring there. I was doing some finishing work here. Looking real good, man. Gotta tie these rows in right here on our verts, but we already tied these in 4 inches below. We'll have horizontal that's already tied in. We'll put it at 24 inches. That's what the prints call for, 24 and 48 inches, both vertical and horizontal. So we got our verts 24 inches on center, and then we'll do the same thing horizontal. Little lunchtime action. Just tied our top horizontal in. If I can get through here. It's looking pretty good though. We're gonna go ahead and start running with this inside form. Footer turned out super nice. Then these turnbuckles, we'll just get this plumb, put our drawstring on it, and pull it in or out accordingly. It's pretty straight for the most part. These are our sonotubes for our piers. We're gonna put some rebar in there, cut them in half. These are 12 feet. I think they're 3-foot piers. I gotta look at the prints one last time. It was a pretty good, productive day, but we're both tired and feeling it. It's getting hot out. We've just been working our ass off last month and a half, crushing every single day. As you can tell, it's starting to wear a little bit, but we're not letting it wear on the work. We'd be all formed up, but we just got 15 less forms than we thought. So the inside's not done, but our rebar and everything's tied where it needs to be. Got a pull string going around it. When we finish forming up tomorrow, we'll turnbuckle everything and get it true to where it needs to be. Cut some rebar for our Bigfoots, for our piers. Gonna be 3 of them right in the middle. Got those boxes that I made, 3x3 squares. Do a box with that thing in the middle, then hang our beam on it, tie our floor across. Shit, we just got done with pour day at the end of last week, so 3-4 days ago. All it took to true up and form our walls where we want them. Had to go get a couple new forms, but got them for a pretty good price, so it don't matter. Got our piers ready, and you can't see them, but we got our pillars, like I was talking about, right there in the middle of the foundation for that beam to hang, so then we can tie our floor joists. There's things in the industry and part of the business that I'm still getting used to and still trying to wrap my head around. the game's the game. The hustle's sold separately, but there's a lot of little things that can hinder your margins or your schedule. We look good. Next step, pour. Cruising over to the other side. Gonna go do some slab work. Thanks for watching.